Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix XDefiant error code Delta-24 on PC. Method 1. Check server status. So, with any connection issues on any game title, the first thing we need to do is check their server status. Here, we just need visit Ubisoft help page. After that, check if there are any problems occurring with the server. Alternatively, you can also visit XDefiant official X page and see if there are any announcements about server issues. If the investigation shows that the server is experiencing an outage or connectivity issues, the only thing you can do is wait. Otherwise, please move on to the next method. Method 2. Disable IPv6. To do this, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching XDefiant and see if error code Delta-24 is resolved. Method 3. Use manual DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 1.1.1.1. On alternate DNS server, input 1.0.0.1. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, go to XDefiant and see if error code Delta-24 is fixed. Method 4. Stay up to date. We will need to update the following 3 objects to ensure the game operates stably. First, update the game. Just close the game, then go to Ubisoft Connect library. Now, on XDefiant game, if you see the download icon, tap it to update the game. Next, update the Windows system. Just click on Start button, then select Settings. Select Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If any update is available, update it. At last, update Microsoft Visual C++. Just visit the Microsoft Visual C++ download page, then download all 3 versions, 2015, 2012 and 2010. You will need to download both Architecture x64 and x86. After the download is complete, please install the files you just downloaded one by one. Once done, restart the computer and relaunching XDefiant and see if error code Delta-24 is gone. Method 5. Verify files. Open Ubisoft Connect. Go to Library. Navigate to XDefiant, then right-click on it. Select Properties. Select Installation. Select Verify Files. Wait for the verification process to complete, then relaunch XDefiant and see if error code Delta-24 is gone. Method 6. Clear DNS cache. On your keyboard, press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type IP config, register DNS and press enter. Type IP config, release and press enter. Type IP config, renew and press enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press enter. Final, restart your PC and check if error code DELTA-24 is resolved. Method 7. Power cycle the router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Then wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PC and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 8. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Open Ubisoft Connect. Go to Library. Right-click on XDefiant, then select Properties. Select Installation section. Select Uninstall. Once done, restart your PC, then reinstall XDefiant. Method 9. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code DELTA-24 is gone. Finally, if the problem still appears from time to time, it is most likely due to server overload. A sudden increase in the number of players during holidays or free time can be the cause of this problem. And what you can do now is wait for the publisher to optimize the server system, or come back at another time. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.